So today I had come live for a very interesting topic, that is the changing symptoms of COVID-19. So COVID is changing its symptoms day by day. Now the symptoms that coronavirus is projecting is entirely different from what they were initially, right? So let's focus on what are the new symptoms of coronavirus and how to be aware about the newer symptoms of them. Initially, when COVID-19 came, we witnessed symptoms like cough, cold, fever. But now the newer symptoms of coronavirus are nausea, malaise, headache, followed with or without fever. Initially हम सब इस impression में थे कि अगर fever है तो ही COVID-19 है, else it's not corona, it's a normal viral fever or anything else other than corona. But right now we have come across that it's not necessary, ये जरूरी नहीं कि fever साथ में हो. अब COVID-19 is presenting with very minor symptoms like headache and nausea. कुछ ऐसे लोग हैं जिनको कफ और कोल्ड हो भी नहीं रहा and still they are potential carriers as well as spreaders. One more myth that I want to bust today is that asymptomatic people don't spread corona. अगर किसी को लूज स्टूल्स, हेडेक, नोजिया की कंप्लेन है, चाहे फीवर साथ में हो या ना हो, they have the potential to spread corona and give it to others. So if you are facing difficulty in breathing, that does not mean that this is the only symptom which presents corona. If you have symptoms like headache, loose stools, inability to eat food, or you don't feel like eating food, nausea, then these are the newer symptoms of corona. And one very important thing is anosmia. Anosmia means difficulty in smelling or tasting anything. So patients come up to me telling me that they're eating anything and they're not able to taste the smell or smell anything from the food. So this is one characteristic feature of coronavirus. You should not confuse it with any other disease, because being a doctor, I assure you that in these many years of my practice, I have not come across a single patient of anosmia ever before. मतलब ये loss of taste and smell का symptom और किसी बीमारी में मैंने कभी आज से पहले नहीं देखा अपनी practice में. So if you come across with a patient or with someone who has loss of taste and smell, then you should get your COVID test done. One very important thing that I want to tell you today is don't be scared of getting yourself tested. Unless you get yourself tested, nobody on this earth can help you. Don't be scared. It's a normal disease. Unless you hit it quite early with the right treatment, you will not be able to make it a little easy for yourself. So get yourself tested जितना जल्दी हो सके and start the treatment. Don't avoid getting tested by the scare कि अगर positive आ गया तो क्या होगा. We should get ourselves tested as soon as possible. So some few basic things. If you turn positive, then what to do and how to go ahead. There is a very basic COVID profile test which is going on in every other laboratory these days, which covers 5 very important tests, which include CBC, which is complete blood count with ESR, CRP, which is C-reactive protein, D-dimer, ferritin levels, and IL-6. So once you are corona positive, and just in case you're not going to a hospital or you're unable to get in touch with a doctor, since everyone is so worked out, and definitely I understand that everything is not so accessible these days, so at least get these 5 tests done at the comfort of your home, because then your situation or the decision whether you need admission or not entirely depends on these 5 tests. Definitely along with CT chest. What is a bigger threat? Bigger threats is increased markers of these 5 tests that I told you right now, or CT chest. If it deteriorates or if its report is not good, then is the time that you need admission. So first step would be to get a COVID test, second to get the COVID panel test done, and third would be to get your CT chest done. One very important tip for all those people who are COVID positive or who know that they are COVID positive: don't exercise much. It's okay to walk 5 minutes, 4 minutes at a very slow pace once you are infected with COVID-19, but not more than that. We don't want you to strain yourself. So if you know that you are affected with COVID-19, please avoid straining yourself. You have a lot of time to recover after that. Then next very important thing, lots and lots of fluids. Lots of fluids and a good protein diet while COVID-19 going on. Then secondly, a lot of patients who stay at home complain of cough. So don't worry about the cough. It's a natural phenomena that cough would happen and cough will subside eventually. Keep taking steam inhalation and gargles, and definitely consult your doctor for a good cough suppressant. We are generally prescribing syrup Lipitus 1 TSFBD to suppress your cough. But suppressing cough is very, very important, and you should consult your doctor in order for the same. But please wear a mask the moment you step out of your house. Maintain distance and be aware of the condition.